pulled her out. Looking mighty fine. Smoking a little bit of oil. Valve seals are bad. It'll clear up in a minute. 42,000 original miles. Unrebuilt thermoquad. Freaking fired right up. Yeah, she is smoking. Well, we'll get her out on the road and clear her out. You can really see the smoke there. A little dirty. Not bad for sitting probably 6 months. Fired right up. Love that sound. Alright, let's see how she drives. Original miles. Dealer installed Sun Super Tack. Looks like we got over 40 pounds of oil pressure, half tank of gas. Gauges are working. It's not up to temp yet. So that was last time I drove it. It must have been cold because the heat was still on. Window's a little dirty. Yeah, it's cruising.